Microbiology and Quality Associates is an independent GMP laboratory located in the San Francisco Bay Area. We provide services from R&D to GLP and GMP for the biotech, pharmaceutical, medical device, compounding pharmacy, cosmetic, and food industries. We are FDA registered, ISO 17025 accredited by A2LA. We perform testing 7 days a week to serve our clients and perform custom studies because one size fits all is not always the best solution. One of our techs will come to your place of business and pick up your samples with a smile. Every sample is tracked with a unique identifier, which is followed from sample login to the report. Our microbiology department tests according to USP, EP, JP, ISO standards, and can perform bioburden, endotoxin, sterility, microbial limits, package integrity, and disinfectant efficacy studies.
We can identify contaminating organisms that may be present in your samples using the Biolog Microbial Identification System or DuPont RiboPrinter. The instrument can detect up to 2,500 species of aerobic or anaerobic bacteria, including yeast and mold.
We make our media in-house in an ISO 8 media prep room. All of our technicians are trained in GMP and basic safety practices. For cleaning validations and process water testing, our TOC machines can run 180 samples at a time. We can develop and validate your cleaning method, prepare protocols, write SOPs, come to your location to take samples, and perform recovery studies using swab and rinse samples. We have analytical services for raw materials, drug product, residues, USP, EP water testing, leachables and extractables, and moisture content. MQA can develop and validate your method on a variety of instruments, including GC, FTIR, Carl Fisher, and HPLC. Our dedicated Mycoplasma lab offers screening so our clients can make expedited product release decisions or clear cell banks for use. In addition to traditional methods, we have validated a PCR-based method that reduces the process to 1 to 2 days. Services provided include ELISA, reverse transcriptase, real-time PCR assays, and qPCR for detection of viral and bacterial pathogens. Our labs feature 4 rooms to prep reagents, samples, positive controls, and perform sample analysis, preventing cross-contamination. Our cell culture services include media growth promotion studies, small-scale propagation, cytotoxicity assays per USP and ISO standards, and cell-based potency bioassays. Our virology lab conducts disinfectant studies and retrovirus and adventitious virus testing for master and working cell banks, unprocessed bulk and final product. Our manufacturing services division can prepare your GLP or GMP cell bank in an ISO 5 BSC located in our ISO 7 cleanroom. Environmental controls include surface, viable, non-viable, and personnel monitoring. We also can prepare reagents and media and perform aseptic filling of injectables and IV bags for preclinical studies. We have a dedicated suite for stability chambers and can perform analytical and microbiological testing at various time points according to ICH guidelines. Your samples are stored in validated equipment under a controlled environment. On-site is a backup generator serving the facility in case of temporary power loss, and lab instruments have individual UPS for secondary backup. Controlled temperature chambers are monitored 24/7 by a Visala system that notifies lab management of alarm situations. We service pipettes, balances, incubators, autoclaves, and BSCs to name a few. The calibration standards are certified against NIST and ISO 17025 traceable standards by ISO accredited calibration laboratories. MQA can also validate your lab equipment, your cleanroom, and utility systems to meet ICH or USP guidelines. Our services include protocol and SOP preparation and execution, testing support, and sampling personnel.
I started MQA because of my love for science, and I wanted to offer the scientific community the best GMP contract laboratory services in the Bay Area. Our goal is to help clients in developing and supplying quality products to the market. We're proud of our excellent service and customer satisfaction. You're welcome to visit our facilities and meet our friendly staff.